When you become a parent, a whole list of responsibilities come right along with it. But one of the most important things to consider is that their safety is ensured in the event of an unforeseen circumstance. Ask yourself, and really think about it, what would happen to your children if something happened to you? Who would raise your children? Would there be a battle without direction from you on who would be best suited to do so? Is there a plan in place for their support? Having a kids protection plan keeps your children safe, no matter the circumstances. And that's exactly what it did for John. John had hired a babysitter to watch his child while he was at work. One day, John didn't come home from work at the agreed upon time. And unbeknownst to his friends and his family, and even the babysitter, John had been in a major car accident and was in emergency surgery. But because John had a kids protection plan in place, the babysitter knew exactly what to do when John did not come home. The babysitter went to the protection plan and called the first name on the list. John's neighbors immediately came over and placed the child in their care until John could be reached. If John did not have his children protected, John's children would have had a much different experience that night. Eventually, the babysitter would have had no choice but to call the police, who then would have called the Department of Children's Services and placed the child in foster care until John could be reached. I'm Ryan, and I help LGBTQ families and their allies stay out of court and out of conflict by creating a custom plan that protects you and your loved ones and works when you need it. Look, when you have children, you have a responsibility in making sure that they are safe. Having a kids protection plan in place ensures that your kids are well taken care of, especially in the event that you are no longer able to do so, just like John in his story. Planning for your children will designate individuals you authorize to have legal authority to care for your children in the short term in the event of your incapacity or inability to care for them temporarily. Designate individuals to have legal authority to care for your children for the long term in the event of your permanent incapacity or death. Make sure your family is taken care of the way you wanted, not the probate court, and not unsupportive family. And make sure your children are financially cared for. Look, we know thinking about leaving behind minor children can be scary, because it is. But it's something we need to do, especially in the queer community. It will give you peace of mind in knowing that your children and your family are protected and kept out of court and conflict. Although it might sound daunting, we're here to guide you through every step of the process, to protect your family, protect your assets, and to protect your legacy. Call and schedule a time to speak with us today. I'm Ryan with Memento Law, and we look forward to helping you.